This is a Peugeot Expert 2017, probably the same as the Citroen Dispatch Toyota Vauxhall Vivaro from 2019 and Fiat Scudo. This van is blowing cold air. No, it's blowing cold air from the driver's side, and it's blowing hot air from the passenger side. So with that noise, the problem was due to heater matrix down there. I'm just going to show briefly, really. I'm not going to show details how you take all these off the trims. Show details how to take the heater matrix off without taking the whole dash out. As you can see, I have removed the glass box, the trims. It's quite simple. And also I've removed here the pipes as well. Just to remove the two of them. Also blew it up with the airline to remove the excess of coolant out. It's very simple. You just squeeze them two together and push them out, as you can see there. Squeeze them two together, and I'll show you. Okay, so as you can see, a cable tied to there. Give a bit of space, if you can see that. Can you see that? I can put it there, and that's how you took it out. Look, I mean, you got these clips here. I mean, you just have to pop them out with a bit. I use a pick and a flat screwdriver. Just pop that out of the way a little bit. Look, and it just comes out like that. There you go. You don't have to remove it. You don't need to remove that. You want to put it in just like that. Put this out the way a little bit. There you go. This goes in like that. There you go. New one in with the new clips. As you can see there, the van is running. I forgot to mention, I did take this off. It goes there. Make life, just take that off and make life a bit easier. It's a little Phillips screw there, and as you can see, the problem solved. There you go. The problem's been solved. Back driver size. There you go. There you go. One problem solved.